Ano ba? Kata kami, Royals.
Royal.
Ito nga pala si Ibon. Gumagawa po siya ng Wattpad. Or / ebook. Ako na lang. I've never seen a diamond in the flesh. I got my teeth on wedding rings in the movies. And I'm not proud of my address. In a torn up town.
Yeah.
No postcode and big.
Oh yeah.
But every song's like gold cheap bagels, stripping in a bathroom, bloodstains, bogals, trash in the hotel room. We don't care.
Yeah.
We're driving Cadillacs in our rooms, but everybody's like crystal. Maybach, demon or a Tempest, jet planes, and ta-na-na-na, goldish, we don't care.
Kid!
In a time, love affair, and will love will be royal. That kind of life's the same for us. We pray but different kind of us. And will be your rule. May bago na naman po siyang sisiraing cellphone. May bago na naman po siyang dadaga ng cellphone. Kawawa naman po to. At ito po.